Hello YouTube, thanks for joining in. For today's video, I will show you a simple wheel swap on your run-of-the-mill Hot Wheels castings. I love this specific Mclaren P1 release in matte gray. It's the best version of this casting out there for me. And I would like to take it to the next level in terms of the wheels and tires. First off, you need to drill the rivets below and slowly take them apart. So here's the plastic chassis that holds the front and rear axle. You get metal body, of course. There's a plastic interior, a one-piece plastic windows in the windshield. The plastic molded interior is decent, not too bad. Alright, the axles are held together with these 3 tabs here. We need to push forward to free up some space. All 3 tabs needs to be deformed, mind you, so in that way we can pry off the axles. I'm replacing it with these cool looking black 10 spokes with rubber tires. This is probably the closest looking to the actual wheel of the P1. It also comes with separate disc brakes and calipers with a arm to hold it in place. I cutted the edges to form a triangle so it will fit in nicely with the plastic chassis. This is what I'm talking about. Forming it to a triangle would work, I suppose, but we'll see. Alright, here's how it looks like fitted in. As you can see, when I roll the tires, the brake stays in place, so that's a good start. Now let's try the other side. Okay, it seems to work fine. That's good enough for me. Oh yeah, I painted the brake calipers to a yellowish orange, not so sure. I think it's better than the red. Slide it in place for the rear, then snap the other wheel nice and tight. Yes, that ought to do it. I noticed the A-pillar forward is very thick, so detailing it in black would narrow things down. The other side as well. These rear quarter scoops need black detailing just to add up the styling. I added chrome detail for the rear view mirror. Not sure if the camera can pick that up. Then let's assemble them back to where they belong. This could be fun. The body and chassis is a little tricky. Oh, I think I got it. So yeah, there you have it. I think it looks a little better now with the aftermarket wheels and rubber tires. The yellow-orange calipers pops a little better than in red. So leave a like if this finds you helpful. Please check out my other videos and I'll see you on the next one.